Welcome! In this video, we will cover how a field technician would start their day or start a visit within the Field Central Field app. For those in the field, it is critical that they know how to interact with the app and use it correctly for accurate visit logs and reporting. Once the technician has opened the field app for the day, they will first navigate to the top right of the screen and tap the cloud icon to sync their device. This will upload the assigned schedule for the day. Since the login information has already been provided during the setup process, the technician will simply tap Web Sync. Once the Web Sync is complete, navigate back to the main screen and tap Crew. Toggle on the appropriate assigned crew members, which will ensure that their time will also be tracked any time a visit is timed into. If at any point the main technician needs to add or remove crew members, simply navigate back to Crew and toggle on and off accordingly. With the daily visit schedule synced, let's review the options the main technician will have available at the bottom of their screen and how to appropriately utilize each of these options. Shop allows the user to track their time in the shop either at the start or end of the technician's day. Lunch allows the user to track their time for lunch. Travel allows the user to track their time traveling outside of visits on the schedule. Example would be driving back to the shop or picking up lunch. When you are ready to begin and be dispatched to a visit, simply tap on the desired visit from the main screen. If there are any special notes tied to the customer for the specific visit, those will pop up at this time. The user will simply click OK to close the message. From here, the user will see a more detailed view of the visit, including the service address. To track the technician's drive time to the property, they will first select Drive Time and then start driving to the property. This will update the visit details page to allow the user to confirm once they have arrived on site. We will pick up from here in the next video.